Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're doing a quick assembly and review of the Zebco Slingshot Spincast reel and fishing rod combo. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm Peter.
I'm Brady.
And we're Roam Reckless. Current price for this rod is $9.98 on Amazon. So when you first get it, it's in two pieces. So you take the top piece and just fit it into the bottom piece. Just fit it in there snugly. You'll feel when it's secure. So it's 5 foot 6 inches. The rod itself has a medium light action. It's got a pretty slow tip. It's great for casting and it's great for beginners. So once you've assembled the pole, you just want to bring your fishing line through your rod guides. The pole is 11 ounces, so it's pretty light, but it's very durable. The reel is pre-spooled, so all that's left is to add your hook, sinker, bobber, etc. If you are interested in this rod, there's a link below in the description, so check it out there. So we put it to the test despite the rain, and overall it worked great. I'm not really a rain person, so I did not want to really be there, but I gave it a few tries and I really enjoyed it. I didn't catch anything, but at least Brady did. So to wrap up, the Zebco Slingshot Spincast combo is affordable, easy to use, and perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a grab-and-go rod. It's super user-friendly, but if you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also remember again, if you're interested in the rod, there's a link in our description. Check that out there. There's 2 videos on screen now for you to enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you want to see us in more adventures, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Take care.